Welcome to Ampicus Aesthetics. This is an online course where you will learn all aspects of how to dermaplane. You will be responsible for carrying out your own private treatments and evidencing those to your trainer online, where you will gain an accredited online certification.